Hello, my name is Sam, and I run a small art business called Yozora Studios. I've been drawing since a young age, and in my adulthood, I was able to turn that into a job that I really love. I'm here to teach you everything I know about what I do for a living, which is making enamel pens and running a small shop. My work is a lot of pop culture inspired pieces, but I also enjoy sharing my original art with people as well. My goal is to create an in-depth course that will teach you everything you need to know about creating enamel pens and setting up shop. I will also go over how I grew my brand over the last few years and how I got to be able to do this full time. I'm Sam from Yozora Studios, and this is Enamel Pen Making 101.